Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to find your Alipay QR code. This is really simple. The first step we need to do is open our Alipay app. Once we open this app, we're going to, in this menu, we're going to click this option called account right here. And then we're gonna click this icon right here. We're gonna click this. Here we need just wait. And then we're gonna click this option called my name card. We're gonna click this, and here you go. Here you are. This is your QR code. In this uh, area, you can see your QR code, and you can share to others to transfer money and add friends. This is really helpful. Please comment if this video was helpful.